She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry.
Goody Squad, what's going on? It's your boy Mickey Vlogs. Goody gang, goody gang, goody gang, goody gang. Today I just wanted to really just talk a little Grammy talk, but it's early in the morning, so you know, I hope y'all watched the last vlog I put up. It's very educational, and it gives you I just gave you guys a few tips on how to better your channel on your YouTube channel. Make more money. Gotta get it for the new year. Right now I'm on the move, but what I wanted to tell you though, I was watching the Grammys last night, and you know, just shouts out to everybody that was nominated. I think that's the real win. What a lot of times a lot of people don't understand is, like, once you're nominated, that's a win. Don't let other people count what your wins are. You're all in the same building. Everybody was well deserving of the awards. I hear some people complaining on who they wanted or who they felt like should have won, but at the end of the day, look, man, just being in the building was good enough, you know. Shouts out to Rihanna, you know I love you, my cousin. Shouts out to Jay-Z, it was a great album, the 444. Shouts out to Kendrick Lamar, the damn album was dope. Shouts out to Bruno Mars, you make great music all the time. Just shouts out to everybody that just showed up and put on for their supporters. That's what it's all about. So when you're being acknowledged in any platform you're on, your supporters get you there, and you just got to be happy and take that as a trophy instead of letting people tell you what the trophy is. The trophy is that you're still here, you're still making great music, and people are still appreciating your music. So that's just what I wanted to say about the Grammys. Now back to YouTube. Being on YouTube is kind of like one of those things where you're showing your life from from a different point of view, I would say, because I won't, you know, a lot of changes in the policy of YouTube, for some people it stopped what they were doing. Like, you know, there was a lot of people just putting up footage of other people's work and things like that. That was just, you know, violating the whole policy. And really it's a platform for creators, and it's a platform that, you know, that it lets the creators be who they are, express who they are, and you know, you gotta pardon me, there's bumps in the street. But that's how people, you know, you come to find out that it's a big world and people are doing the same thing as you. So that's how you connect. And people that want to do what you're doing, they will support if they like how you present your videos and things, you know. And that's on any platform that you're on. It could be Instagram, it could be Twitter, it could be anything. But you know, that's just how it is for the day. Today I got some more designs to do. I have a lot of designing to do actually, and we're just on the move today, man. We're just making it happen, man. That's the main goal. Make it happen, man. Be happy, do what you do, make it happen. Most of these times, people don't understand how life works. You can't compare yourself to other people. Now, you might see somebody with millions of dollars that's unhappy, and somebody that doesn't have that much is more happy, and you don't understand why. The understanding of that is maybe that person with $1 million, money doesn't really change anything. That's what people don't really understand. It changes some things, but it doesn't change everything. Like, money doesn't make your happiness, you know, shoot up to level 10, you know. It doesn't work like that, because you're still gonna have everyday things. You can be a millionaire with millions of dollars in debt because of you just trying to keep the money. You know, it's easy to get the money, it's harder to keep it, and just keep it coming in and keep it going. So, you know, that's one of the things that people don't understand, you know, when you're down and out. Because I've been at my lowest and I've been at my highest, and the only difference in between is how I took it and how I, you know, tried to overcome it. That's the only difference between it. So don't let people, you know, don't look at other people. That's, I think, if you didn't compare yourself to anybody else, you'd have been good. You've been living your life. You'd have been, you know, It's only when people see other people doing things, and I think that, you know, due to the internet, everybody's comparing themselves to. But really think about it like this: on Instagram, on all these sites, do you ever see somebody that's totally like opposite of somebody? Like I mean, I want to see. He was wheeling. I don't know if you guys caught that, but what I mean, I don't know. All I'm trying to say is, like, a lot of people, they try to live a lifestyle that's not really set for them. It's not really set for them. They just see another person living a lifestyle, so that's the only thing they can attach to, and they set their goals to be like that, instead of trying to find who you are and the things that would suit you and be better for you. And the people that usually do find that, they're the ones that win. There's a lot of lifestyles that's been duplicated, yes, and people have been successful in doing something that other people do, but come on. That's not, is that fulfilling for you? Is that gonna make you say, you know, I did something, or I left a, I don't know. I guess y'all understand what I'm trying to say. But besides that, man, today's one of those days where I gotta get a lot of work done. It's Monday. I dropped the vlog yesterday, but I hope you guys checked out. And this one, I'm gonna edit this up, chop it up for you guys, and I'm gonna definitely
I did a little